Come here, Avery. Get Dad. I do not want her up on the rocks, Chris. Bailey, come here. No, don't go with Dada. Bailey. Come here, honey. Yeah, come here. Where's my Avery? Avery, hi. Avery, where are you going? Yeah, I don't think you're bringing the girls up there. Don't fall. Dad likes to do dangerous things.
Bailey. Bailey.
Avery, where you going, honey?
Avery.
No, don't go to Dada.
Avery.
We don't climb up there.